What's up, guys? I'm going to attempt to install Cardo Packtalk Edge on my fresh AGV helmet. Wish me luck. It's my first time installing one, and I'm really going to try not to mess it up too bad. Hopefully not at all. Let's go. Alright, so I'm starting with this helmet. I haven't messed with it yet, so it's fresh. Let's see. Super sweet helmet. Starting with the K6S from AGV. Super sick helmet. Throw the Packtalk in here, and then I'll be ready to go for rides with the full face shield instead of my 3/4 I normally wear. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do, take out, it's going to be on the left side. We're going to take out the inner padding. Let's see. Not sure if you can see in there. Just a couple snaps. There we go. There we go. Alright, it just kind of opens up. Hard to see, but it opens up pretty well. I might be able to put the Packtalk in there. See if I can get a little bit of light over here on it. Alright, so there you go. You can see a little circular indent in there for the speaker unit. There you go. So that's where the Packtalk is going to get mounted, right in there. We're going to put the speaker in there. And the wire, it even has a little channel to route the wire down. It even has a little channel to route the wire down for the mic. That's going to end up here. I'm going to bring you guys down to my fancy workstation right here. It's literally a chair, so we can get on this together. Alright, so we got the Cardo here too. Take this out. Sweet. One fresh Packtalk. Installation stuff. Pay attention to this stuff so we can make sure we do it right. Make sure I do it right. Alright, so you'll notice this is what came in the pack. Got some Velcro stickies for those pads. They'll hold the speakers in. This mic is for a 3/4 helmet. I won't need that right now. I'll be using this one that'll wire right in. The clip, this is what's going to hold on the Cardo unit here once it's all installed. And alcohol prep pads, 2 of them. So the speakers, looks like the shorter one is for the left side, longer for the right. I'm going to go ahead and start with these. So I basically undid the interior of the helmets on both sides just to make sure that was good. So I'm going to stick these in those circle holes, like the cavities in the helmet that are already there for speakers. So there's the first one installed. If you can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but like right here, it's in there. So I'll do the other side also. It's really hard to see in there with the limited light I've got in here in the office. All right, we'll illuminate it from the inside. So now you can see this hole right there, kind of where my finger's at. That's where I put the Velcro pads. That's where the speaker is going to go. And it's got this wire groove going towards the back of the helmet for the wires for the speaker. I'll start with the right one. It's the furthest. All right, now it's just running along, trying to keep it in the groove. It's in the groove, and I'm just trying to run it along the back. So on the right side, I can start actually putting this all back in and back together, for right now at least. Alright, I'm going to get over here to the left side, do the same thing. Alright, so we got those roughly in place. Alright, the next step is putting one of these soft Velcro touch pads right up here in the front. So it's going to go right here in front of the mouth, which is fine. So that's where we are mounting the microphone. So here's the microphone, and this will just get mounted right in the front here. Okay, there we go. Got the cables dangling out. All right, so the last part is going to be mounting the actual Cardo unit up here somewhere close to under the visor, but it has to be right on the edge and be able to connect this to these wires. Just have to find a spot where this is going to be relatively flat. Might be a pretty close spot. All right, it's alcohol prep. Clean that all off, the whole area. Alright, so this is permanent adhesive. So this won't really be going anywhere. Then we'll slide this on. Alright, so that's going to be permanently affixed there. So now let's go ahead and run these wires under the edge of the helmet. Right in here. So I'm going to hook up the microphone and the speakers, and then I'm going to tuck both of these guys, both of these cable ends into the foam, like underneath the padding. Sorry, not the foam. There we go. All right, now I'm just going to make sure that the wires are all run through the channels so I can button this all up. All right, after the Cardo install, it should look nice and clean. No dangling wires. Here we go, I'll get the light inside so you can see that there's nothing loose in there. Speakers are all under the foam pads like they should be. And the mic is there attached to the front of your helmet. There we go. So this install took about an hour to get it all in, but the Packtalk is ready to go. There we go. Quick install on a fresh helmet. I appreciate everybody's support. Hopefully this helps somebody. It's not super daunting task like I initially thought it would be, and I didn't mess anything up. So ready to ride, ready to break this helmet in, and I'll be able to listen to music and talk to people while I do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. More to come. Thanks.